Welcome to Somerford at Stoner Farm, the perfect blend of lifestyle, convenience, and community in Lancaster, PA. Explore single-family home options like the Hawthorne Vintage, featuring a 2-story family room, beautiful outdoor living space, and a partially finished basement, along with many other design features to cater to your lifestyle. Located in a top-rated school district and just minutes from Route 30 and 222, Somerford at Stoner Farm provides easy access to the shops at Belmont, nearby Lidditz, and Lancaster City for dining and entertainment options. With the Lancaster Amtrak station less than 10 minutes away, you can be in Philadelphia in an hour or New York City in 3 hours. Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Delaware, New Jersey, and Maryland beaches are all within a 3-hour drive. Experience an active community atmosphere with winding streets perfect for walking, jogging, and biking. The neighboring Stoner Park offers sports courts, pavilions, and trails to explore the outdoors. Enjoy exclusive access to nearby country clubs featuring amenities like golf, tennis, and heated outdoor pools. Our dedicated team is here to bring your dream home to life. Welcome home to Somerford at Stoner Farm, where your vision of luxurious single-family living becomes a reality.